Normally, I don't talk at all, and ever since I started doing videos, I discovered that apparently I have two very different voices. When I lean back, my voice sounds like this, but when I lean forward, my voice sounds like this. So I don't know. I don't know if my voice sound too different for you guys, but I feel like I sound very different for me. So yeah. Anyway, let's begin the lesson. Hello everybody, Lance here. Welcome to the very first tutorial of Blender's basic series. In this video, I will show you guys how Blender's user interface works. This is the default UI of Blender. This biggest part here is the 3D view where you do most of your works. Down here is the timeline where you control the time. On the right hand side is the property panel where you tweak the property of everything. This here is the outliner. It is the list of all the objects that exist in your scene. And finally, up here is the info bar that contain a bunch of information. Now, Blender's user interface is actually just a bunch of tile. The info bar, the 3D view, the outliner, everything are just a bunch of tiles, and each tile has a different role. You can actually change the role of any tile anytime you want. To do that, notice the little menu on the top left corner or the bottom left corner of each tile. If you click it, it'll show you all the different roles you can choose. For example, if I choose 3D view, the property panel becomes another 3D view. The menu is now down here on the bottom left corner. Okay, let's change it back. We can also divide and merge tiles to make a very different UI. Notice the little icons here on the top right corner and the bottom left corner of each tile. To divide a tile, simply click this icon and drag inward like this or like this. To merge two tiles, first you gotta make sure that the two tiles share the same edge. Like these two here, they can merge, but these two cannot. To merge, simply click the icon of one tile and drag into the other tile, like this. Since animation is a topic for much later on, we don't need the timeline for now, so let's go ahead and get rid of it as well. So that is how you customize Blender's user interface. You can also find some presets up here in the UI preset menu. In the next video, we will have a deeper look into the functionalities of the 3D viewport itself. So yeah, I will see you there.